Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful soft coily hair. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be using 1 pack of expression braiding hair, and I'm going to be cutting it into 5 equal lengths. So next, I'm going in to pull on the ends of the hair to get rid of the blunt end and also to give it a little bit of extra length. Okay, next I'm going in with my hairbrush and I'm brushing the hair through to make sure it's tangle free for the next step. So to achieve the coils, you're going to need a big size flexi rod. So right now I'm going ahead to prep the hair for the next step. So I just placed the hair on the flexi rod as you can see right here. So now I'm going to start by twisting the hair just like this until the base of it is tight. Just when it's about to twist around, you can stop and start wrapping the hair around the flexi rod. So I'm going to be wrapping the hair around the flexi rod flat, so I'm not twisting and wrapping. I'm making sure to wrap it flat on the flexi rod. So again, to achieve the coil pattern in this video, you need to wrap the hair flat on the flexi rod, just like I'm doing in this video. And also don't forget to brush the hair every now and then to ensure that it is tangle free. Okay. So now that I'm done wrapping the hair around the flexi rod, I'm going to bend the end of the rod to help secure the hair in place. So I went ahead and did the rest of camera. So for the next step, I'm going to be dipping the hair into hot water. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead to pour a little bit of the hot water inside the bucket. So next I'm going to add in some hair conditioner. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead to put the hair inside the bucket, inside the hot water. So please be careful, don't burn yourself. I'm using the comb, I'm using the brush to push the hair into the water. So once that is done, you can remove the hair from the bucket, dry off the excess water using towel, and let the hair air dry overnight. So you need to let it air dry completely for the next step. So once they are completely dry, the next step is to gently unravel the coils and also separate the hair. So here you go. You can use this curly hair for crochet braid, goddess braid. Also, you can also use it for like a crochet wig, so you can make a wig with this curly hair. Just going ahead to separate it. Going ahead to take a little bit of hair out of it so that I can show you guys what it looks like. So here you go. Perfect. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video you will get notified. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.